Hi students, intermediate, first year, English medium. Dear students, we are discussing the first unit. So in the first unit, number of concepts are completed by the previous videos. And today I am going to analyze the income and circular flow of income. What is the income and circular flow of income are the discussing topic in this video. Let me analyze here income first of all. Simple. Income. How can we get the income? Income is two types. One is income is a flow income and the second one is a fixed income. Flow and fixed. Let me analyze a few words about this flow and fixed income. Income. Flow income. What is the flow income? For example, if a person he get 10,000 rupees per month. 10,000 rupees. Simple. 10,000 out of 10,000 he can expenditure out of 10,000 he can expenditure 9,000 or 8,000 or 7,000 and next month he can earn again 10,000 and he can expenditure and again 10,000 and expenditure means income he can earn and expenditure. First month he can 10,000 he can earn and expenditure and then next month he will earn the 10,000 means income will be the flow. Income will be earn and expenditure. Earn and expenditure. It is a flow. వస్తూ ఉంటుంది పోతూ ఉంటుంది. ఖర్చు పెడుతూనే ఉంటాడు మళ్ళీ ఇన్కమ్ వస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫ్లో. సెకండ్ వన్ ఫిక్స్డ్ ఇన్కమ్. Fixed income is called wealth. Nothing but the wealth. What is the wealth? For example, land, assets, gold and jewelry. These are all the fixed or wealth income. Wealth. So నీకు ల్యాండ్ ఉంది అమ్మేసి మళ్ళీ కొంటావా? 10,000 ఉంది ఖర్చు పెట్టి మళ్ళీ సంపాదిస్తావు, మళ్ళీ ఖర్చు పెడతావు మళ్ళీ సంపాదిస్తావు. ఇట్ ఈస్ అ ఫ్లో. బట్ ఫిక్స్డ్ ఇన్కమ్ వీ కాంట్ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్. ఇది అమ్మం అలాగే ఉంటుంది, ఏదో ఆపద వస్తే తప్ప అమ్మం. సో హియర్ ఫిక్స్డ్ అండ్ flow income. So we are discussing the flow income. What is the flow income? So how can we explain the flow income? Means income. How can we get the income? Means people who are participating in the economic activities by getting the income. How the persons are going to get the income? By participating in economic activities. Economic activities means the economy is divided into three sectors: agriculture, industrial, service sector. So the people are going to work in various sectors, so then he can get some money. The money is called the income. Okay, income the persons are earned by participating in the economic activities. Here let me analyze the income, circular flow of income. How? For example, these are households. These are all households. Simple. Try to understand. So the peoples are or households are he getting 1,000 rupees. Households are getting 1,000 rupees. Simple. Suppose they want to satisfy the wants, they want to satisfy their wants, they need to goods and services. Is it? They want to purchase the goods and services. So where the goods and services they can purchase? At farms. Farms means the 1,000 is a expenditure on farm. Which purpose? To purchase the simple. To purchase the goods and services. So the people having only 1,000 rupees to purchase the goods and services, he can expenditure 1,000 rupees. Then the 1,000 rupees is flow, goes to the farms. Okay, so to purchase the goods and services, households they can expenditure 1,000 rupees. Then 1,000 rupees goes to the farm. Then farms they want to produce goods and services. So to produce the goods and services, they require the factors of productions. So where the factors of productions, households means to purchase the what are the factors of productions here? Factors of productions. Which are the factors of productions? Means land, labor, capital, and organization. So these factors are having the households, means the firms, they want to produce the goods and services, they purchase the 1000 rupees. Here the firms having the 1000 rupees. To purchase the land, labor, capital, and organization, the 1000 rupees goes to the households. Okay, then the households are again, they want to satisfy the wants and they purchase the goods and services. Their income goes to the firms, and the firms, they want to produce the goods and services. To purchase the land, labor, capital, organization, their income goes to the households, and again goes to the firms, and again goes to the households, again and again, again and again. Circular cycle. Circular. What is the circle? Income. Means circular flow of income. Simple. Circular flow of income. The 1000 is rotate in between households and farms. Okay, so this is called circular flow of income. ఎప్పటి వరకు ఉంటుంది ఇది? మనుషులు భూమి మీద ఉన్నంత వరకు తిరుగుతూనే ఉంటుంది. ఎలా? వీళ్ళకు వస్తువులు కావాలి, గూడ్స్ సర్వీసెస్ కావాలి, వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి వీళ్ళ డబ్బులు ఎక్కడికి పోతాయి? ఫార్మ్స్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. ఓకే, మళ్ళీ ఫార్మ్స్ ఏం చేయాలి? ప్రొడక్షన్ చేయాలి. ప్రొడక్షన్ చేయాలి అంటే మళ్ళీ ప్రొడక్షన్ వీళ్ళ దగ్గర ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, కొనాలంటే మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడికి వస్తాయి. ఇలా డబ్బులు అనేవి తిరుగుతూ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఏమంటున్నామంటే సర్క్యులర్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద సర్క్యులర్? ఇన్కమ్. Circular flow of income. So only I explained the two sectors in intermediate stage. In degree stage, so the income is flow is in between 5 sectors. But here only the limited concept is there. In intermediate stage మీకు లేదు, డిగ్రీలో పెద్ద అనాలిసిస్ ఉంది. So it is only the money flow, money income is a flow in between only the 2 sectors. One is households and farms. So this is the circular flow of income. Okay, students, thank you.